Hello, I'm Brent Wilsey, and with me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management. And I've heard people talk, and people have talked about, small businesses aren't doing that good, and my friend Joe, his business is down, and so forth. I tell them, you talk about one person in one area. What's been done is a survey of many different businesses. Actually, successful 2015 small businesses, about 27 million small businesses in the country. Now, 55% of those saw their revenues increase.
That's pretty amazing. I mean, as you pointed out, 27 million small businesses. So you can't just take a look at Joe Smith's Crab Shack and say, oh gosh, it's down. There's a lot of small businesses doing great. And as you said, over half saw revenue increases. 45% thought the economy had higher growth in 2015 than the prior year.
And that's so amazing because a lot of times people say, business is not good because this and so forth. I do have to say sometimes it's the fault of the small business because they sit there wait for business to come and they're not very good business people. So you got to kind of look at the source. And it is true that there are some good things going out there for businesses and some things go well, and they do see some good things going on.
Yeah, and finally in the survey they said 18% of those small businesses sought credit lines. So that could mean they're expanding, hopefully, not, they're about to go bankrupt.
You're not going to get credit if you think things are going to go down. You're only going to ask for credit if you think that things are going to do better for you. Also, too, consumer spending came out, and this is one Gallup poll showing $84 a day from $81 a day in January. And the numbers get better as we go forward, don't they?
Yeah, and last year, February 2015, we saw $82 on average per day. So we're higher than we were last year, which is always important to take a look at. And what this measures is, discretionary spending. It's not taking into account your housing payment, your car payment. And included in that, though, is gasoline, which I was pretty surprised that, $84 was the amount considering the price of gasoline right now.
Yeah, and when you compare back to 2009, 2012, it's below $65 a day, and that included gas, and gas was much higher back in 2009.
Yeah, and I mean, that just really speaks volumes to how far we've come since 2009, 2012, that time period, and things are much better now. The consumer is lively, they're out there spending, and that is definitely visible in this poll.
Right, and that's what we're looking at. And so we thought we should be looking at is a consumer type company like perhaps a Costco. Costco, current price around $148, 52-week high, $170, the low $117, but they're having problems. Rising wages, we've talked about this.
Yeah, and they're saying right now, unemployment's so low, and it's hard to find those quality employees, so they want to keep their employees, and so they're having to pay them more money.
Mm-hmm. And what I actually looked at this company is that the inventory turnover is about 11.67, which means they turn over the inventory a fair amount. August 2017, the earnings per share estimate $6.12. Target sell price is only $100.98. I love this company. I go to Costco all the time, but as an investor, you gotta be careful what you pay for something.
Exactly. So you can get a value at the products at Costco, but the stock right now is not a good value.
Yep. Watch it. It might come back down, but again, it's not a buy this time. So as much as I love Costco, I gotta tell you, not a buy this time. All right, if you have questions about your investments or you'd like to have us do a fundamental analysis of your portfolio, just have a conversation with us, give us a call at 858-546-4306 or visit the website smartinvesting2000.com.
And be sure to go to the website now or give us a call to sign up for our upcoming workshop, How You Should Invest in 2016. The workshop will be March 19th, that's a Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And at the workshop, we will be analyzing a stock that could potentially be a buy in our portfolio. That company is Qualcomm. They're locally based, so that's pretty exciting. We'll also be reviewing stock fundamental analysis and why it's successful, explaining when to buy and sell a stock, and going over the 5 common mistakes the average investor makes.
And we've been doing this for many years, and I've had thousands and thousands of people come through the workshop. Not one has ever said, I didn't learn anything. You will learn a lot at this workshop, so I hope to see you there.